Ladies and gentlemen, the title of this channel is This Channel's Not Dead. And the truth is, it's not. Yeah, we have been delayed. We haven't been able to put out content. It's been the winter, and I don't know about any of you, but there's really not much to do during the winter. So we haven't really put anything out, and I will not shoot a video if I'm not going to enjoy it, and I know you're not going to enjoy it. I'm not one of those people who makes any money off YouTube, so there's no incentive to me to put out something that I'm not going to enjoy, and I know you're not going to enjoy. So this channel's not dead. This channel is far from dead. We're starting to move. We're starting to get things going. We got a couple of changes, so I'll give you a quick tour of the changes. We still have the 300. It's a little worse for wear right now. Got a battery draw. We got to figure that out, but a lot coming on this.
I said don't disturb you, I'm cleaning my room!
Boys planning cam heads, a couple other things. So that's coming very soon. We upgraded to the 2021 Durango, which that got an exhaust, a bunch of stuff last year. Didn't shoot a lot of that either because it's basically second verse, same as the first.
Boring.
The quad, 3-4 years down the line, it's still running strong, and not really much doing that. We did do a fuel system before a snowstorm, but that wasn't worth videoing either because it was an emergency. We had to get it done quickly. The boys JL, again, not much been done on this one. It's he crashed it twice. So you guys didn't see a lot of it. Apologize for the wind, but yeah, he crashed it twice. It's been repaired. Cherokee, it sits. That's it. Needs a power steering line, and it's got basically a brand new engine in it, and it just sits and does nothing. Orangina, nothing to be said about Orangina. Kind of just sits here too. And there's a reason for all of that. The Commander content. We haven't been posting a lot of Commander content. This thing has not been on the road in just about a year. Not that there's anything wrong with it. I just stopped driving it because it became questionable reliability, and it wasn't quite doing what I wanted to do. Anybody want a free RAM? Yeah, and the Comanche sits back here. That might get some love this year. Honestly, it's got to do something with it. Something you guys haven't seen a lot of is the Gladiator we bought last year in April, and we've done a bunch of upgrades. We purchased this thing pretty much bone stock, and lift, tires, a bunch of suspension stuff, bed stuff, interior stuff, lights, camera action. We didn't share a lot of it. I'm upset. Sorry for all the wind again. But of course, there's one car that's missing from all this, the Charger. And don't worry, Charger's still in the stable. It just had a tree fall on it a couple months ago. So it's getting a lot of body work. A lot of body work that we're not doing, our friend's doing. It's going to be expensive, but so yeah, subscribe, and maybe one day I'll be able to make enough money to pay it back. I don't know. Probably not for 25 years, but it's coming back. So stay tuned. New content coming. I just wanted to put this out there. This channel's not dead. This channel's just been lacking. And I apologize to all of you subscribers who I didn't come through for. So we'll see you the next couple of weeks. We're going to have our first video probably this weekend. We're going to shoot one. We're going to take the Gladiator here and turn it from a 2020 into a 2024. It's crazy how Chrysler allows us to do that with just a simple couple of... Now, stay tuned. We'll see you soon, right?